Well, hey family, happy Friday Eve. It's a beautiful Thursday morning. I'm sitting here working on some more necklaces. I mentioned in my last video that in the digital magazine, there is a list of different online platforms, where you can sell your handmade items. So one of those platforms I am going to be testing out, and I'm going to be testing it out by selling um, maybe like a lot of necklaces. I think I'm gonna just stick to the bulk necklaces. I'm gonna do them 1 dozen per design, or 1 dozen per case. Just gonna try it out, and I'm thinking I'm gonna probably put maybe 30 different type of designs on there, just to test it out for a while and see how it works out. Um, it's not a platform where I want to put a lot of different items like necklaces and bracelets and the bigger jewelry that I want. I mean, not want, but that I make. So I said, well, I'm gonna try something really simple, really easy, and just put it in bulk and then sell it at wholesale and then see how it works on the platform. So in this case, these necklaces, I'm using the painted beads that I paint, and then I'm just kind of encasing them in some wire. And then I'm using and this is vegan suede cord. It's not the real leather suede. So the idea is to make them, produce them as less expensive as possible, to be able to sell them, for a sweet low price. So that's the idea. I am going to order some real leather, and then those will be more expensive, and I'll sell those on other platforms or at different events and stuff. So this vegan cord and some other cord is in my Amazon store. Of course, the beads are beads that I paint. So the wood beads are also just unfinished wood beads are in my Amazon store, as well as some wire. So you can find all the supplies in the Amazon store. So that's what I'm doing now. So these I have enough beads, and I am painting some more beads to where I'm gonna produce a nice amount of these. I was thinking I might do maybe about 300, and then just set the store up, set it up, nurture it, see how it works, and the sense of bulk. And then if it works out, I'll let you guys know. And of course, anything you do, you got to give it a little time to grow and stuff. But I do like the way these look. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and make some using these little purple beads. So I'm going to grab some wire. Real simple, really easy, not a whole lot to it to make them. And all I'm going to do is take the wire, take the bead, take the wire through, leave about that much out, and then I'll fold the wire up, wrap the wire around, holding it nice and snug against the top. And then this part of the wire, I'm going to push that through the bottom, and then grab my pliers so I can pull the wire through, making it nice and snug. And then the shorter wire, I'm going to take it, actually the longer wire, I'm going to fold that one over this way, bring it back up around. And then when I bring it back up around, you see how there's just that little small part. So what I'm going to do is take my pliers, and I think I cut this just a little bit too short. I think I did, but let me see if I can wrap this around here. I should be able to, because I just need it to be at least, even if I could wrap it once and make it nice and snug, just like that, to where it'll hold. And then I cut this short. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to still use it. So I'm going to just turn the wire around, hoop it, and then wrap the extra wire here, and then close it down on here. Close the wire down. then I'm going to show you something. So what happened is I cut the wire short, but you see right there at the top, it leaves that open. So all I'm going to do is take this wire at the top and close it into there like that. So when I close it into there like that, it kind of closes out that hole, and I can still put the string here and it'll still hang. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and thread it. Go ahead and tie the little knot. And for these, I'm not doing anything. My niece gave me the idea, just no lobster clasp or anything. And just, you know, people can untie it, tie it around their neck, and then there you go. So you can see how easy that is and how it hangs. So even though I cut the wire too short, you would not know if you purchased this that I cut the wire too short, because the way that it hangs, and it, you know, it looks nice. So that's just one. So I am going to make a couple of the purples, and then of course I have some other beads over here drying that I'm going to use. So let's do one more, and we're going to use a purple bead. We're just going to take our wire, put it in. We're going to have about that much, if you can see it, about that much left. We're going to fold the wire over like we're wrapping the bead. And then I'm going to have my finger at the top to hold it nice and snug. And then I am pulling the wire to pull it snug. And then I'm going to put it through the hole at the bottom. And then I need to pull it through. And then I'm going to take the longer piece of wire, then wrap it around the bead. So it's basically like putting the bead in a wire case. So what I'm going to do now is take the wire, the longer piece, and just wrap it around that piece right here. So I want to bring this wire over and then wrap it. So it's right there at the top. You can see how it's creating that nice little, kind of like a closure at the top. And then I'm going to just take it, close the wire down. Okay, and then I'm going to take the piece of wire that I have left, fold it over like so, like I do everything, and then begin to wrap. To create that nice little hoop. And in this case, I'm going to take these pliers and roll this piece of wire on the end. And then I don't feel any sharp anything, nothing is sticking. And you can always kind of manipulate the wire at the top if you want to. And then we're going to take a piece of our vegan suede. That's what they call it, vegan suede. Go ahead and cut us a piece off. And they're real simple, really simple little necklaces. And the idea is to create something simple, you know, and test it out on that platform to see how, you know, see how it works out, and then sell them in bulk at a sweet little price. So these are the two we just made. Really simple, really easy necklaces that we can sell in bulk. Nice and simple. It's just enough, for people that don't wear a lot of jewelry, but every once in a while you want to throw something cute on. You might have on a solid color. You might have on a bunch of patterns. Might have on a crew neck or a t-shirt, a graphic t-shirt or something, and you want to add that little extra accessory, to make the outfit pop just a little bit more than what it's already doing. And, sometime a necklace, a real simple little necklace can do that for you. Necklace, earrings, a little bracelet or something. And, there are days when we don't want to dress all the way up. We want to look cute. We want to look cute, and an accessory can always do that. A pair of jeans with a nice little graphic t-shirt, or a pair of jeans with a white t-shirt, and you got a cute little necklace on like this. Your hair might be all over your head, or your hair might be in a ponytail. God knows. There are days we feel that way. And then you got your neck popping with one of these little cute necklaces. I like these. I think they're adorable. What do you guys think? Simple, easy, not a whole lot to it at all. Just enough. I mean, just enough. Thank you to all the new subscribers. We have a lot of new subscribers. I do hope whatever made you click on the subscribe button, that you continue to see more of that, and you continue to be encouraged and inspired to create or begin creating, or just being encouraged, by anything we talk about here. So again, thank you for hanging out with us. Be sure to visit us over in the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone. Hit the join button. Go ahead and jump on in and check out those ladies and gents over there, posting beautiful pictures and, resources, and answering questions and asking questions and all that good stuff. So it's a lot of goodness that's going on over there in that Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone. And if you are interested in receiving the digital magazine, you can email me actually, you can go to the website, jewelrybybdk.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Actually, you don't have to do that. You can go to the bottom, or what will happen is that sign in page will come up, and then you can go ahead and enter in your information, and then you'll start receiving the monthly digital magazines. So right now I got a little downtime where I'm able to create some stuff. So let me see, next week, I got it scheduled for next week is when I'm going to start working on next month, October's digital magazine. So I got a little bit of downtime to be able to do some other things with. So that's why I'm trying to create as many of these necklaces that I'm going to create. I'm going to create like maybe three or 400 of these. Just because I can do that because of the beads, because I'm painting the beads. So because I am painting the beads, I can produce as many of these necklaces as I want to. So I'm going to set a goal for myself, at least 300. And then I'll sell these in dozens, like 12 to a case. So that's the idea, and to test out that other online platform to see how they work out. But anyway, family, make it an amazing day. Produce something that is absolutely gorgeous, one of a kind. Tap deep, go deep. Even if it seems or feels funny to you to create something, go deep. Step outside your comfort zone, and then see what you can come up with. And make it a good day. We'll talk soon.